Wouldn't it be a dream if you could automatically send thoughtful, personalized emails to all your candidates after each of your interview? Well, with AI now, it is possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you especially one free tool that will help you generate customizable, human-sounding rejection and feedback emails to all your candidates. Sounds good to you? Then let's go. Well, it was a bit obvious, but of course, the tool I'm going to talk to you about here is Nuda. And if I mention this tool, it's for good reasons. Because it's one of the best AI recruiting tools you can find on the market that will help you really streamline your interview process, especially at the end, after the interview, to really share all your interview data easily. As I said, it's also a tool with a free plan that will really enable you to test the tool, especially the features to record your interviews and to generate notes and also personalize interview feedbacks and emails to candidates automatically. And here I'm going to show you very simply how to use it to generate this custom feedback that you can send to all your candidates based on the format that you want and expect. All right, to get started, you just have to go to nuda.io and then to click on Start for free to register a new account there. When you've registered, then it's time to start recording all your interviews so that Nuda can know what's the content of the conversation you had with your candidate, and so generate really the perfect feedback and rejection emails that you need. There are actually many ways to record your interviews with Nuda. The first way is simply to connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar, and then Nuda will automatically join your interview and will record it. An even easier way is to download the Nuda desktop app, which will automatically record any of your meeting that you have on your computer. If you have a phone interview, you can also download the Nuda mobile app, from which you can record, call, transcribe all your interviews. And if you have an in-person, face-to-face interview, you can also use the live recorder from Nuda that will record everything from your computer. And finally, if you already have your audio or video file from your interview recording, you can just upload it straight to the interface. When that is done, then you'll get automatically a recording, transcription, and notes from all the interviews that you had straight into the Nuda interface, and then you just have to click on it. And as you can see here, I have one recording of an interview that has been processed here. And so you have a very specific note template that will summarize everything that has been said. You have, of course, also the full transcript of the conversation. So yeah, rather long. And then, yeah, so the notes, you can change the template of the notes. Right now, it's the HR interview. So really the template made for the interview. So as you can see, you have the general information, professional experiences, the description of the professional experiences, of the technical skills, of the soft skills, also some areas of improvement. On Nuda, you can actually easily customize this template. You can go to our template library. For example, we have a lot of different recruitment templates for all kinds of use cases. That could also mean performance review, screening interview. You can also anonymize all these data. But this is already really good if you want to share it with your recruitment team. You can also share with them the video clips that have been automatically created by Nuda that highlight the key moments of what happened during the interview. You also have the scorecard that you can also easily customize, and that will help you score very fast all your interviews with specific criteria that you can customize also. And finally, what matters to us the most now is the email section, where you get an automatically generated email from the content of the interview. And as you can see here, the template that is set up here is not for sending a rejection email or a feedback email to your candidate, but more an email just to share to your recruitment team what has been said, what has been talked about in the interview. So that's not what we're looking for here, but you can easily customize it. And that's what we're going to do here. We're going to create a new AI email. Okay, we're going to call it interview feedback. And I'm going to give you a prompt here that will really try to nail what we're looking for when we want to send a rejection or personalized email or feedback to your candidates. So generate a rejection email with constructive feedback to the candidate about his or her interview performance for the position. Click on save, and then we're gonna see how it looks like. And as you can see, you got automatically an email that will just summarize what the candidate said, what is his strength, what is his weaknesses. And so it's more personalized, and the candidate knows why, in a way, you rejected him if that's the case. And also give him encouragement to continue on his journey, and also some feedback so he can improve his interview performance. Like many AI, the one that is integrated in Nuda is very emotionally intelligent in a way. It knows how to say difficult things without hurting anyone. This makes it way more thoughtful for any candidate. It's sometimes a bit generic, but you can easily customize it also and edit it. So it says, we have decided to move forward with another candidate who was a better fit. Also give a specific reason that you can change, of course, depending on your own feeling. We felt like background and education that fully align with the specific needs and requirements. So as you can see, a very neutral vocabulary. And then it says the strength. So yeah, we were impressed by your patience, compassion, and ability to build professional relationship based on what he said on the interview. However, so now the weaknesses, your experience doesn't really fit the job. So that's what he say basically. And then encourage, really trying to tell him that it's good, that he can continue on his path, and maybe find a better fit in companies that love this very specific skill that he has. So yeah, like I said, a very thoughtful email. You can customize and refine this email even more with the AI that is integrated in Nuda, the chatbot, which you can ask any question that you want. So for example, we're just gonna give the same prompt. I feel like this one is a bit better, so there's bullet points, so it's a bit more readable. And that's where also you can add your own unique touch, human touch, to this email by editing by yourself, or just asking it to have another tone in the email. Like for example, sound more like a coach. Let's see how it looks like. So now, as you can see, it says, okay, to support your professional growth, we'd like to offer you some coaching insights. So if that's in your DNA, if your employer brand to really coach people, you can show that here. Yeah, so showcasing by impressive professional achievements, but in future discussion, consider providing more specific example with quantifiable results. Yeah, so maybe a bit more coach vibe. Why not? It all depends on you and what you're looking for. Then you can copy paste this email and send it to your candidate. If you are a bit bolder, you can share all the summary of the interview, the scorecard also, so the scoring that you gave to the candidate. So yeah, it's a bit bolder, of course, but you can do it. You go to sharing, and you select email, and then just send, give the email of your candidate, and then you can send the summary, the link to all of this, to the notes and stuff. So yeah, it's a bit more transparent for sure. Maybe you're into this, so you can try. But otherwise, I think just giving the email is already a good start. And that's it. That's how you generate personalized, thoughtful feedback rejection emails to all your candidates, so nobody feels neglected, and you ensure to protect your employer reputation and brand. We know how hard it is for a recruiter to find time to write these rejection emails, and usually we just send and generate a template to all candidates. And yeah, it's something that could be improved for sure in the candidate experience, and that's what Nuda enables you to do. So I'll let you try Nuda, see how it works for you, how you can generate your own rejection emails automatically, but also your automated interview note that you can share with your team, also automatically rank and score your candidates with the scorecard that is built into Nuda. I didn't even talk about the Nuda integration with your ATS, which will just send automatically the notes, the information of your candidates straight to your ATS in the right field. So that's already a huge time saver also. But yeah, I'll just try and experiment with this tool, see how it works. And otherwise, if you like this video, of course, don't forget to like the video actually, but also to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, of course, don't hesitate to leave a comment under the video. And otherwise, we'll see each other on the next one.